This Eastern Security Network Delta State. We are covering our forest. You can see this is the Fulani camps. The Fulani caliphate that threaten our state, that are going to make our state ungovernable. Eastern Security Network has come to make sure it's en masse. Cover your face. Eastern Security Network Delta State chapter have arrived their camp. So you can see this is the forest, this is the woodland they have taken from us. What you are saying no. We are using the medium to tell the world, Delta State as a whole, that Eastern Security Network Delta State chapter have deployed all our men to the 25 local governments of the states. So our mothers and fathers, don't be offended, don't be worried. Just calm down. We are there, all local governments of the state. Whenever there is any problem, we'll make sure, just call on the right people who attend to you people sharply. Eastern Security Network Delta State. This is the camp of the Fulani Caliphate. Yes, you can see where they are. You can see them. That's why they are boasting. You can see them. See them. We say no. We are telling them that we don't want to see them again in our land. You can see. These are the views. They are hot. They are making sure that we destroy everything. We destroy everything. We say no to Fulani herdsmen in our community, in our land no more. We say no. We say no. We say no to Fulani herdsmen. Delta State is formidable. Delta State is formidable. We make sure that they will not step their foot again in our land. Delta State have been taken care of. Yes, Eastern Security Network under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is here, making sure that we take everything, we destroy everything. We are formidable. Under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, today is 21st. Today is 21st of June. We are taking charge. Eastern Security Network Delta State chapter.